Everybody switch! Switch to be fresh. Switch! Everybody switch! Switch to be fresh. Switch! Everybody switch! Switch to be fresh. Switch! Everybody switch! Switch to be fresh. Switch!
The weather and the climate are making news in more than one region.
Severe flooding has killed at least 72 people.
Under siege in the grip of unmitigated catastrophe.
The evidence is now clear. Industrial civilization has caused irreparable damage. Our political and corporate leaders have consistently ignored the overwhelming scientific evidence.
Not only is it the 11th hour, it's 11:59.
What we saw with Katrina is just prologue. Worse is yet to come.
The UN estimates that by the middle of the century, there may be 150 million environmental refugees.
There are too many of us using too many resources too fast.
The problem is that every living system is in decline, and the rate of decline is accelerating.
The tragedy is the potential extinction of humankind.
We face a convergence of crises, all of which are a concern for life. Will our pivotal generation create a sustainable world in time?
People need to realize there are things they can do in their everyday lives. Everybody making a change adds up to something meaningful.
Our project today is the welfare of all of life as a practical objective.
With existing technologies, we could literally reduce the human footprint on planet Earth by 90%.
We have to imagine what it would be like to redesign design itself.
These are not technical issues nearly as much as they are leadership issues. There was a time when Republicans and Democrats joined to pass major environmental laws. 500 years out, people look back at this time that this was our finest hour.
What a great time to be born. What a great time to be alive, because this generation gets to completely change this world.
Bakit kasi kailangan mo kanya-kanya?
Dapat sama-sama. New Globe Super Only All Text. 25 pesos lang. Only text na to all networks with free calls plus free internet. Kaya tapos na ang panahon ng Globe to Globe. Smart to smart o sun to sun lang.
Kaya Globe na ako. Dito, may all to all.
Globe Super Only All Text 25.
Ang prepaid for all.
Sa Our Lady of the Atonement Cathedral o mas kilala bilang Baguio Cathedral naman, nag-walk out ang ilang mga nagsisimba. nang kutsain ng isang pari sa kanyang sermon ang pro-RH bill na si dating Akbayan Representative Risa Ontiveros at mga Katolikong sumusuporta sa panukala.
Magandang babae niya ang kanyang magsalita. Ito ang minister niya, Risa Ontiveros. Kung meron mang rin makikita na ito ang community, go out.
It sounded too good to be true, and I'm a skeptic from the word go.
I said we should go to the meeting.
So I signed up, and I found out that it was true. Every word of it that they said was true.
To me, CareMore is the answer to carefree living.
If you have Medicare and are looking for more than what you're currently getting with your existing health plan, call us today while there's still time to make a switch. We'll make a believer out of you.
It's absolutely carefree.
I feel like they're taking care of me. We were blessed to find this.
It's unbelievable.
Go to a meeting. It will impress you, and it will change your life.
Don't believe what I'm telling you. Go listen to them. And I'm sure that they'll make a believer out of you just like they did of me.
It's a CareMore feeling. Yeah, really, that's what it is.
Make the rest of your life the best of your life.
Panay ang bati ng friends ko sa maputi at makinis kong skin. Tama si Iya.
Showbiz can be stressful sa skin. Advice ni Iya, halaga ng skin with Silka. It works. Tama si Iya.
Para sa kutis Filipina, nakakaputi ang papaya enzymes at nakapagpapabata ng skin ang vitamin E. For whiter, silky soft skin, tama ang Silka. Kutis na takaw tingin.
This is America. And no matter how, no matter where, no matter what, we keep moving forward.
Panauhing pagdangal kanina si Pinoy sa Campo Crame. Ilang pulis ang kanyang pinuri at pinarangalan, pero hindi din niya naiwasang may banatan. Kung sino Erel Kabatbat, ikwento mo.
Simple pero diretsahan ang banat ni Pinoy laban sa mga Arroyo kanina. Sa kanyang talumpati sa 110 at 10 anibersaryo ng PNP, nangako si Pinoy na ibibili ng mga bagong armas at mga sasakyan ang PNP. At hindi tulad ng mga second-hand chopper na sinasabing nalaspag na ng mga Arroyo.
Pag sinabi natin bibili tayo ng bago, hindi ito pinagsawaan na ng kung sino mang Herodes.
Pinaringgan din ni Pinoy ang ilang utak-wangwang sa PNP.
Kung ikaw ay pulis at hindi para sa pangangalaga ng interes ng taong bayan, ang inyong mga hakbang, mas mabuti pang ilapag mo na lang ang chopper.
the sun comes out from the rain clouds, I know it's going to be better. Climb a ladder up to the top of the world, we'll do it together. We're the lucky ones. We're the lucky ones. We're the lucky ones.
Nakaranas na ba kayo matulog sa maikling bangko sa palengke? O mamatayan ng kapatid dahil wala kang perang pampagamot, wala kang magawa? Naranasan ko na lahat yan. Kaya nang biyayaan ako ng Diyos ng magandang buhay, naging panata ko na. Tumulong sa mga walang-wala. Kung talagang gusto ko yumaman pa, babalik na lang ako sa pagkanegosyante. Kung natapos ko kahirapan ko, magagawa ko rin sa inyo. Panata ko. Tapusin ang kahirapan.
Meron akong kwento!
Ano yan?
Halina't pakinggan ninyo ako!
Marahil po'y napansin ninyo sa hearing ng Senado noong pong isang linggo, nahirapan sa pagpigan ng impormasyon ang mga senador sa ilang mga dating general tungkol sa umano'y katiwalian sa AFP. Lahat sila hindi malaman kung bakit sila iniimbestigahan. Ating kilalanin ang pinagurian ni Mark Logan na Amnesia Boys.
Milyong perang umikot-ikot na sa bulsa daw ng ilang general, ito ay sumuot. Ngayong naghahanapan, lahat ata ay nakalimot.
No, Your Honor. Could not recall. Kailangan nila mga 200 million. 200 million ba yan? General Ligat, naalala mo na ba? Mukhang nagmumuni-muni ka. Malapit mo na ma-recall siguro, no?
Lahat may memory gap, pati sariling pirma. Iba ata ang forma.
It appears to be my signature.
Itong siligot na matindi ang kalimot, maya't maya ang konsulta sa katabi. Uy, ano ba talaga ang nangyari? Ay, wala akong maalala eh. Okay po, kung talagang di nyo maalala, wala silang magagawa. Okay, sige. Sino ka nga ba? Sir, ako po ang abogado nyo. Wala siya, wala. It all started nang si Miriam mag-erap, sumambulat at tinawag si General Reyes na
This man is one of the greatest in Philippine history. Alam ko lang na ganito pala ang lakas at ang lawak ng pagnanakaw sa ating bansa. Nag-suicide na ako nung pinanganak ako ng nanay ko.
Good copy lagi itong lola mo, pero may humahamon daw sa trono. Kanina, imbierna na si Ombudsman. Siya daw lagi ang pinag-iinitan. Kaya tawag sa sarili ay crush ng bayan.
Ikaw na yung crush ko na nung nasa college pa tayo eh. Since crush nyo ako, may I say something?
Mark Logan, Patrol ng Pilipino.
Why settle for this when you can get this? Plus this, plus this. At Green Hill Shopping Center, you simply get more for your budget. Hills Shopping Center. Shop and live plus.
City lights, this feeling's got the best of me. We were floating along to the sounds of a dead-end town, but now that's just a memory.
I can't figure you out, you've got more fight in you than anybody